Hey, this silent solution where how to Proxmox storage create. Let's go. First of all, we are check our disk. Also, rate configuration. Yeah, here is our disk. One disk 100 GB or 455 GB. Let's go and click and create steps. Pull 01 and select it. Here is you can select, you can choose your label. My choose is red text, and let's go. Initialize. Yeah, script is done. Now we'll see our storage script is done. Here is uh, 14.7 GB because RAID 5 is use the 3 disks, 1 disk is just failure. With it. Thanks for watching. Next video how to installation OS and upload OS.